Alright everybody, now we are doing some baseball rack packs. So we're going to open up a set, see what we get. I'm going to open the rest off camera and then I will let you know in the end what I got. Alright, so we're going to save the other two for later. Alright, let's see. Starting it off with a Teddy Higuera All-Star card. I'll put the All-Stars category. Rob Woodward. Ooh, Gary Carter. I already have him, but I'll put him in there. Larry Sheets. Al Nipper. Zane Smith. Lloyd Mosby. Pat Tabler. Whitey Herzog. Bob Boone. Known Aaron Boone, or related I should say. Ron Shepard, Willie McGee, Nick Esaski, another manager, George Bamberger, Jerry Royster, Scott Fletcher. Oh, I thought I got the Clemens. Scott Fletcher, it was the right team, but Bob Stanley. Bye.
2.
Alright, so now we're opening up Topps Baseball 1989. So we are looking for maybe a Canseco rookie or a Clemens. I don't know. Feel the gum. Oh yeah, there's the gum. Ah! Oh, and it's a good card too. See if the gum's edible. I'm just kidding. Alright. Let's see. Let's see who we are going to get. Here we go. Lee Mazzali. Oh! Barry Bonds! Oh, okay. That is perfect. I will definitely hold that card. Tom Browning. Tom Pasnewski. Jose Oquendo, Bob Forsch, Junior Ortiz. These cards got like a nice texture. Scott Terry, Checklist, Company Store. Maybe I'll have to buy one. Calvin Schiraldi, Mike Henneman, B.J. Suroff. Ooh, Cecil Fielder. I like him. Jim Sundberg. Dwayne Ward. And then the gum card, which is still in pretty good condition, so Bruce Sutter. Alright, so here's the first pack. We have Topps 1988. And so we are going to try and see what we get. I don't know what sort of cards I can get. Maybe I could get like a Roger Clemens or a rookie card or something like that, but I guess we'll have to see. These are all wax, so do not eat the gum, folks. Alright, so there's the gum card, as you can see. Let me try and... Alright, so the gum stays there. Alright. So let's see what we got. That was the gum card. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. We got Domingo Ramos. Ooh, Ozzie Smith. I will definitely take that. Chris Spear. Ron Hasse. Mike Davis. Danny Jackson. Oh, Pete Rose. All right, that's perfect.
Let's see it.
Pete Rose manager card. And then we have a Gary Ward for the Yankees. A Checklist. Jack Howell. Tony La Russa, well-known manager. I'll put that right there. Bob James. Ooh, Lonnie Smith. He's a good person. And then the gum card, we got, oh, actually, we got a couple more. We got John Tuden, Bobby Thigpen, and Ken Cover is the gum card.